Hello, welcome to the CoffeePodChannel. Please like, subscribe and share, as today we're going to do a how-to, and it is how to descale the Ninja Deluxe Prestige coffee machine. There's two parts. We're going to descale the carafe and we're going to descale the pod part as well. So let's crack on. Right, here we have the coffee machine and we're going to do two descaling parts. First up, we're going to do the carafe and then we're going to do the Nespresso side. Now, you're going to need a couple of things other than what this thing gives you. For the carafe side, I'm just going to use these. These are just tablets that I got off Amazon. They're pretty cheap. I use two for each, so I use two for this side and two for this side. And if you're going to do it my way, you're going to need a container as well, because what the idea is, you're going to put two of these tablets into the water tank, but they take ages to dissolve. So I'm going to dissolve it first in this, right? So first up then, pot, tablets, two of them in there, and boil the kettle. Two of these in there, and then a load of boiling water. This just means that this dissolves quicker than if I was putting it straight into the machine with cold water, okay? So now, you wait for them to dissolve, which won't take long. All right, so leave that for a bit. So while they're dissolving, you need to get your tank out, and we need to put some water into here. It's got to go up to that line, but obviously we're going to be putting this solution in as well. So just go up to about here for starters, and then we'll put that in and then we'll fill it up to the top. But essentially at the end of the day, it's got to get to that line there. Okay? Right, so this has dissolved about, I'd say. So I'm going to stick this in here. And then, as I said, I'm going to fill this up to that line there. There we go. So, lid on, and then onto the machine, like that. Then we come to the front control panel. Okay, so our solution is in the back there. All you need to do now is just double check we're all ready. So we've got a carafe in here. The carafe's got to be empty, so just make sure that's empty. And then on the top here, just make sure you've got nothing in here, but your plastic basket is in there, but it's empty. Then come to the front panel. First up, go over, because we're going to be doing the carafe side, so press your carafe button. Then come over to the right hand side here where it says clean, click the clean button. And then in the middle, you're just going to do start brew. So click that. Okay, there we go. 75 minutes it reckons it's going to take. So what you're going to do now is just wait for that to go through. What it does is it takes that solution we've got in there and it pumps it through and it holds it within the machine to clean. Then it fires it out into your carafe as it's doing there. So okay, let's go and wait 74.5 minutes and I'll be back to show the results. There we go, timer's done, that'll flash, and that is the end of it. And now you can just turn it off. So pressing the off button, we are done. Okay, right now, there are three things that we need to be cleaning. Number one is opening this up and taking this out and giving this a good old clean. Okay, so let's just put that down there. The second thing is the most obvious, is this thing. This has got full of your water, so we're going to empty that out and give that a really good clean. And thirdly, the tank. So we'll take this off and give that a really good clean. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go away and I'm going to go and clean those three, and I need the empty carafe again, and we'll go down to the next stage of cleaning. Right, they're all clean. I cleaned them with hot soapy water. Took a few minutes to do it, but get all of those three nicely clean, because what we need to do now is we need to fill our tank back up to this line here with fresh water, nothing else. So no tablets, no nothing, just fresh water out of the tap to that line. So let's go and do that now. There we go. I've got all my fresh water in there. So lid on, and then carefully put the tank back on there. And this piece, this goes back in the top. Put that down, no filter again. And then your empty carafe, stick that in there. Okay, so that's nice and empty. That's full at the back and that's empty. And all you're going to do is you're going to pull a full carafe out of here. So the way to do that is, as you would normally when you're making a coffee, Come over here, go all the way to the right to 1.6 litres and then hit start brew. And then this isn't going to take 75 minutes. This will just take as long as it takes to fill up that carafe. So let's leave that to boil through there and we'll be back when that's done. Right, it's done, it's beeped, all the water is through. And again, we're going to get our three things out. So we need to take our carafe out. We need to take this top bit out and we'll take the tank out. And what we're going to do is, again, we're just going to give them a clean. I don't think it needs a soapy clean for all of them. Just make sure you give it a good old thorough wash out, and wash out with some fresh water. All right, so get all those three cleaned. Right, that's done. So now that's it. Put that back, put your carafe back, put your water tank back, and we are done. That is us descaling the carafe side of the Ninja machine. Right, now we've done that, let's move over and do the Nespresso side. So now we're going to clean the Nespresso side. In theory, it's the same way. There's just a couple of little different steps you need to do. So first off, we're going to get this out. So pull this out, empty this out, and just give it a nice good clean, and we'll put it back, all right, for the fresh water, get rid of those pods. Right, once they're all clean, just put them to one side, because we're going to do the same trick as we did before with this. So a couple of tablets in that bowl there, because I'm going to dissolve this before I put it into my tank, right? So get some boiling water on top of this. There you go. I'm going to wait for these to dissolve. Right, now we're waiting for that to dissolve. We need to get our tank. We need to get water up to the fill line. Obviously, we're going to be adding other solution in there as well. So I'm going to fill up to about there with enough room to fill in my tablet water. So get that filled up. My tablets are dissolved, so I'm going to pop that into here. And then I just need to make sure we're getting up to that fill line there. So let's just get it to that line. Like so, there we are. Lid on, back on the machine. Right, now, before we get it off going, what you need to do is take this, but take this piece off, okay? So you won't be needing this, and put the basket catcher back onto your machine. And you might need to go and dig this out, but you need this piece. This came in the box. I hope you haven't thrown it away, because you need this, because you plonk that on there, it fits nicely in there. And you're going to take your carafe, you're going to take the lid off, like so. Put the carafe, it fits nicely on this. If you didn't have this, you're going to need to fudge it in some sort of homemade system. But this means your carafe can stay on there. Okay, so our water tank is full of our solution. We have our carafe balanced on our plastic piece from the box. Just make sure this is closed and there's no Nespressos in it. And then what we need to do is we need to come over here and start the cleaning process. And you can just turn it on like that if you want to, or just come over here and press the Nespresso button side. Doesn't matter which one this is on. And then we're going to press clean. And then you're going to put start brew. So press this button in like that. There we go. And then you think, well, it's 1 minute 59. It isn't. It's 1 hour 59. So now, got to wait 2 hours for this side to be descaled. Right, so I'll be back in a couple of hours. Right, it's just finished. So again, your three things is your carafe of water. Just going to empty that. And then take this out and take this off. Now what we need to do is we need to run a lungo 3 times through this, okay? So give this a wash and give this a wash. Give a good old wash with soapy water this, and just give this one a rinse out. And then I'm going to fill this back up to that fill line there with fresh water. Right, I filled my water up. I only went up to there because I've only got to do 3 lungos. So just fill it up. Kind of, I went up to the 1.1 litre. That really should be enough. Pop that on your back of your machine. Now you can do whatever you like really, you can put a mug if you want, but seeing as I've got this here and my carafe, I'm just going to put that on there. But you could just use a mug if you want to, because we're only going to be doing lungos. So let's go over to the machine and literally, if it's off, turn it on, or just turn it on to there. Select lungo, which is the third one down, and then press start brew. Make sure there's no espresso pods in there. You've got enough water, and you've got something to catch the water as well. And you're going to do this 3 times. There we go, 3 lungos done. So really, you don't actually need that much water in the tank at all, really, to get 3 lungos out of there. But there we go, that's done. So we're going to pour away that way now. I'm going to give this another good old rinse out. I'm going to give this a good old rinse out. And then that's done. That is how to descale the carafe and the Nespresso side of your Ninja Deluxe Dualbrew. So that was it then. That was how to descale the Ninja Dualbrew Prestige coffee machine. I hope that's been of use for you. Please do like, please do subscribe. And until the next video, bye-bye.